Hello and welcome to today's KB Core video. Today we're going to learn how to use the listing playbook and how to utilize that with your leads. So when you first log into KB Core, you want to go click on Playbooks right here. You'll see one that says Promote a Listing. Now you can't do everything from right here, but I prefer not to. There are things you can't manipulate in here. But what I do like to do is to go in here. You can either do your listing, somebody on the teams, a company listing. So I'm going to pull up my team listings. And all I'm going to do for this moment is I'm going to pick one. And I'm going to write down the MLS ID. Now, what I want to do is, remember in previous videos I was teaching you how to make filters. So we want to go back to a smart CRM. Now I've already pre-made my filters. As you can see, I've made one for active 1 and 3 stars for email listing playbook, one for texting for my active 1 and 3 stars, and this is my basic one, my listing playbook e-blast. So I'll open this up so you can see the filters that are on here. So when you make this, you want to click prospect, new lead. You want to select buyer. And that's all you need to do. Oh, and check that they have an email and that they're subscribed to emails. And then you want to click Save Filters. And you don't have to save it up here on the top like I did. You can keep it hidden where it just pops up to the side. So now the next step is, when I showed you that you can go within that play listing book and do it there and send it out, the only thing I don't like is that you can't manipulate with the filters. So what we're going to do is, I want you to go to all marketing. We're going to learn how to schedule mass emails. So we're going to get started on this. Now, as you can see, I've already scheduled some. So what I'm going to do now is, I did the active 1 and 3 stars. Now the other day KB Core was glitching, so I was having a hard time getting this one to work. So I'm just going to go ahead and do schedule email. I want contacts matching criteria from a save filter. I want the 1 and 3 stars for email listing playbook. Yeah. I want the scope to make sure it's me. And let's say I'm going to send this out tomorrow and at 9 a.m. Here I'm going to pick my templates. So it's called Promote Listing Playbook. You want to select contact matching buyers. This is why I don't like to use it from the playbook section, because KV Core has their own system, and what they say might match, it probably will not. Also, if we get a lot of leads and they come from Google or Facebook, you're really not going to know if they match or not for sure. So that's why you want to do it this way. And the template did not show up. Okay. Contact matching buyers. Hey. What the hell? There we go. Now, I am going to edit this because it is my active people. For most of them, I know, except for maybe the 1 stars, I know what they're looking for. But I'm going to go in and I want to edit. So I just wanted to say a new property just hit the market. And that's all I wanted to say. It doesn't need to say all the other hoopla. And I am going to get rid of that. So here is where we type in the MLS ID that I told you to write down. You want to click on the address. KV Core has been making some changes and doing some updates, so right now it is a little glitchy. If you run into problems and it doesn't want to work with you, just go back to it another day. And hopefully this is going to take this for me tonight. Schedule. All right, so see, it still does not want to work on that filter. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go back, promote the listing. I'm going to go for my teams. Let's see. And so I'm going to use this one. So what I'm going to do, and hopefully this will stop getting glitchy. I'm just going to send another one out to my other campaign. So we're going to go to schedule mass emails, click schedule email, contacts from saved filter. So I don't want that one. My listing playbook e-blast. I'll schedule this for the 9th. Okay. And we're going to do promote listing playbook contact matching buyers. So this is what it's going to look like. I'm not going to make any changes on this. Actually, I am. I'm going to take this part out. I really don't know what their interests are. I'm just trying to get them to respond, especially some of the ones that just kind of ignore me. Oh. And I'm not going to click assign agent signature. Actually, I am. Let me delete this one. Trash. I'm going to get rid of that. And there, then I'll turn on this thing. So I want to go back there, look at it one more time, make sure I have the right filter in there, date and time, MLS ID is what I need to put in. 3. Oh. Here. I'm going to hit schedule. So it took it. You see the number there of how many people it's going to send it out to. Then if you want to text it, you want to go back to your Smart CRM And I am going to go back to the filter that I have, but where I made a text blast. So I'm going to click on there. I want to click select all and amass text right here. So I want to find the promote a listing playbook. With buyers. And I don't want it to say that. Market. You can also do this for listings that are just reduced, price reduced, back on the market. And when you're doing the text, you also want to click also send listing link right here. First, you got to put the listing in here. And boom. Click send. And that's going to send out a mass text. And that is it for promote a listing playbook.